Have you ever wanted to escape? To hide away in your own private oasis, undisturbed, undiscovered, where we found just the place. But first, we need to take you back to the beginning. No, not that far. Meet Lindsay and Rick. In 2018, they set out to complete the project of a lifetime. A combination of structural steel, sage glass, cedar and plywood were used in the construction of this private retreat in the beautiful natural forests of southeast England. From start to finish, the project took 4 years to complete. 2.5 years were lost to rigorous planning battles and wildlife surveys in order to protect the surrounding habitats. Nature has always been the staple of this build. We had travelled 3.5 hours across the UK, passing through the beautiful coastal town of Hastings, famous for the battle in 1066 which led to significant cultural changes in the UK. And when we finally arrived, it was everything we'd hoped for, and more.
Oh, there it is, Jazz.
Wow, oh my God.
From the start, we knew we had to come and see this for ourselves. And better yet, we're even going to get to experience staying overnight in this magical home. And best of all, we're bringing you along with us, every step of the way.
Here we have it then, Looking Glass Lodge, hidden amongst the nature, literally floating behind me. What a stunning piece of architecture. I'm gonna head up and check it out in just a sec, but it is literally like an experience for the senses. You can hear the water features, you can hear the birds. It's incredible. We've got a nature reserve just down there as well, so you truly are immersed in the wilderness. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this, and I'm pretty excited to go and check it out. So I'm sure you guys are as well. This path leading up, lit by lanterns. Can't wait for the night time too. Can't wait to stay overnight here. So come on up, Jazz. I'm gonna go check it out properly. Come on inside. Welcome to your oasis within the woods. Jazz is just struggling to get her shoes off quickly.
Tripped
No,
over
I'm trying to make it look
as soon
nice
as
and
I
smooth.
came in.
Oh, shut that. Just check out this space. So everything you're going to see here is pretty much locally sourced. There's a few exceptions and we're going to talk you through it. So come to this end first, Jazz. This is a really cool area of the property. So you've got this L-shaped sofa here, so you can appreciate the views either side through the glass, but we've got a record player and a bunch of records that the owners have kindly left so that when you stay here, you can really relax. Go on.
There's also an iPad that tells you everything you need
Yes.
to do with the property, which is great.
Very well thought out.
If you're like me and you don't know how to put the log burner on.
Yes. Nice. Now this log burner I think came from Scotland.
Wow.
So it's one of those things that isn't that local, but yeah, it's absolutely incredible. Just like the property, floating within the woods.
Yeah, it really is. I think it just makes the space, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
definitely, especially this end of the corner, this end of the property.
Yes.
Sorry, got it there in the end. Yeah, amazing. They've used the cedar wood from the outside on the ceiling as well. It was originally supposed to be ply, but I'm glad they did because it looks amazing.
Don't you think like the vertical panelling of cedar wood looks really luxury as well?
Yes, absolutely, with the ambient lighting too. Oh, goodness. A lot of chaotic energy in this tour so far, I can sense it. Let's talk about the glass. So the glass that came from Minneapolis in America, that's one of those other things that's not locally sourced, cost about 100 grand.
Yes.
Now the original budget for the build was 100,000.
And you know, they didn't originally plan to get that glass, they had to because planning permission,
Yes.
they weren't allowed any light to leak out of the property after twilight because it would disrupt the badgers and all the animals.
Yes, loads of surveys involved in getting this property built, which makes it even more impressive. And it's sage glass, did I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it actually tints when it goes dark.
Yeah.
Pretty insane.
Smart glass.
Smart glass, yeah.
But you can manually control it
yeah,
as well.
you can do it halfway. So you can have the bottom half tinted, but not the top, privacy, but then you
Yeah.
still get the views, and it's all controlled from like a control pad over there. Amazing, loads of different scenes. Let's now talk about the kitchen. One of the main things I need to discuss is this.
Ooh.
So they had a drawing done by, I think it was an interior designer / artist.
Illustrator, yeah.
Yes, an illustrator, and they basically used the colour palette of all of the colours outside so that they could create the same inside. Incredible. Now this, I think it's micro topping on the waterfall kitchen island. It's like a really unique greeny blue colour, similar to the pottery on this vase here. And it's so incredible. It's all natural, you can almost feel the imperfections in it, and it really fits where we are.
Yeah, it's very eco-friendly to make.
Yes, exactly. Like a mixture of like polymers and cement.
Yes.
So then we've got the hob here, nice and convenient with the venting hob coming out the middle. And then we've got 3 lights down the middle, keeping it nice and bright while you're cooking. Love all the dark fittings, really matching the fireplace, the frames.
Yeah, incredible. And there's so much storage as well. You've got a dishwasher, fridge, microwave oven, everything you need in here.
What have we got through here? Let's
More
do it.
plywood, I like that.
Explore. Oh yeah, so everything in here as well is kind of from local businesses.
Yes.
So this is just around the corner pretty much, the owner of this, Canoops. What else have we got, Josh? Should we have a look?
Oh yeah, I like nosying through cupboards.
Oh nice, so we've got proper tea as well.
Ooh, locally sourced coffee.
So loads of locally sourced goods. Yeah, we've got the Bosch oven here.
Ooh, we love a spotless oven.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice. I think we've got Uno.
Oh!
We're gonna play some Uno tonight, Josh.
Yes, we are.
Do you know what else we're gonna do tonight? Bit of champagne.
Yes, agreed.
Bit of bubbly. Do you want to check out the bedroom?
Yeah.
Come on, let's swap over and you can show them that.
Okey-dokey.
A
Ooh.
bit close. Hi guys.
Okay, so let's head on in. So it's worth saying we do have curtains that divide the space and they slot away nicely in the gap in the plywood. But check out this bedroom! Oh my God, it's incredible. Let's start here because we have a bath. And we love a bath in a bedroom, personally. And this one is so uniquely shaped. Look at it. Imagine, I think the owner said it was very hard to get this here.
Yeah, they went Egyptian and put it on rollers to get it up there.
Rolled it up.
Yeah, very impressive.
Yeah, indeed. And then you also have curtains here just in case you want it, attachable shower. And this is really interesting. So these are actually vents just to get some nice ventilation in here if you don't want the windows open. So you can just slide them across. Yeah. Storage here. And then we've got our bed in the middle. I like the section we also have here for little ornaments, all locally sourced pottery as well, which is really sweet. And then we have a Sonos speakers system integrated throughout the whole property in the ceilings. It's even in the bathroom.
Yeah, there's actually free Wi-Fi here as well. Because there's nobody around, there's not even a password. Like you just turn up and it's ready to go.
More vents here. Just all these little features like the hooks for your clothes.
I love how the door to the bathroom's on that roller as well.
Should I take you in?
Yeah.
It's like the plywood pod.
Yes, the reveal.
So here we have it. I'll get in the shower. So it's really an ideal size. You've got the bath in there. You don't need any more than this. We've got the black shower screen here. I like the black fixtures around here. You've got it on the towel warmer as well. You've got your toilet. The cutest sink ever.
And a little light well above you too.
Yeah.
Keeps it nice and bright in there.
Exactly. And that cedar wood continues on in here, which is pretty incredible. It's worth noting that the insulation throughout here is amazing. This glass is made for hot countries to keep the inside cool, or alternatively, if you're in England, warm from any of the heat that's inside. But Tom and I are actually staying here the night. We said that to you before. So stay tuned and we're gonna share our experience with you guys. This party.
One of the best things about Looking Glass Lodge is that it's self-catering, so it's got all the facilities you need, such as the oven, and it also comes with games. We found Uno and it got very competitive, so we had to take a break and just stare into the fire. Here's Tom demonstrating how to keep it alive. I attempted afterwards, I became quite a pro. Tom then made us some steaks. What a chef, he really knows what he's doing, with some chips. And then we got into our robes that were provided, time for some relaxation. I had a bath, it was huge, but Tom decided he was ready for bed. So there he goes, taking up the whole bed for himself. Good night, Tom. The next morning, I used the Dyson hair wrap that they provided, brushed my teeth and got ready for the day ahead. We cooked breakfast together, which was really sweet, and I made Tom a hot chocolate with the velvetizer. Had to make the most of the swing as well before we left. But we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and get ready for some bloopers.
Let's show you what we've got in store for you today.
Yeah, because it's funny.
This is how you have to sit on a wet swing when you have cream pants on. You got to sit on your hands.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how American are you?
I'd say couch, so maybe 2%.
2%? That's not 1 to 10.
Oh, they said what percent?
So you're 0.2?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Oh no, I've gone corrupt.
You've gone corrupt. Yeah, that was
It was
like-
your slip that
yeah,
got me.
actually, that- There it is. I just feel like I'm...
It's just the